pick you up.
The video you're watching was made with Seedance 2.5 in Lumina AI very easily thanks to the canvas feature. With just a single prompt, you can already generate the storyline, images and characters you need, including prompts for video journals. And you can also combine several videos into one. And in this video, we will discuss Seedance 2.5 in Lumina AI. Hello, Assalamu alaikum, welcome to the Level Up ID channel. In this video, we will share how to make a short movie or short film using Seedance 2.5 in Lumina AI. As you know, Seedance 2.5 has now been released globally and we can use it very easily. One place you can use it is Lumina AI because it has been released with a variety of cool features inside. Now we can use up to 50 reference clips to edit a video, which will definitely result in more precise outcomes. And there are still many more features in Seedance 2.5 that you can use to make the video creation process with AI easier. Here it is guys, and this time we're going to access Seedance 2.5 on Lumina AI. For those who don't know, Lumina AI, this is the official tool from Byte Plus that you can use to create videos, make images and even create audio. There's already a canvas feature inside that we can use to create a short movie or short video. It's even easier now, because we can combine all the assets we want to use in the video into just one workspace. If you want to try Lumina AI, just click the link in the description to access Lumina AI, and this is what Lumina AI looks like. On the home menu, you can see Lumina AI. Here it is. It supports Seedance 2.5 or the latest generation model from by ByteDance, which is very powerful. Besides that, there's also an image generator powered by CC-Dream 5.0 Pro GPT Image 2 Nano Banana 2 and many others. For the video generator, it also already uses the latest model. There's also an AI agent you can use if you don't want to create the video manually. There's also an audio generator, a chat feature, and an avatar powered by OmniHuman 1.5. If you want to make videos more easily, there's an AI apps feature here where you can use cool video templates that are already available. But since in this video we're going to try making a short film, we're going to use the canvas feature guys. Just select the canvas feature. Then you just need to choose create new project. Now we've entered the canvas workspace of Lumina AI. The great thing about using canvas mode like this is that we can combine all the files or footage we want to turn into a video in just one canvas. Then here we'll name the project, for example, Viral Video 1, and just press enter guys. Next, to start making a video, for example, if you're still confused about the step-by-step process, just click the plus sign here. Then here you can choose script planning, and next you just type in what kind of video you want to make. All the scripts, including the characters, will be generated automatically. For example, let's type in the video we want to make. That's it. More or less, the story goes like this. Then you just need to send it, and here we just wait for the process to finish. Later, the scripts will be created by AI, so you don't have to arrange them manually guys, and you don't need to spend a lot of time. Here, the script planning is already done. The title is The Last Rescue Mission. Here is the story brief, and the brief is more or less like this. And several characters that will appear in the video are also generated right away guys, starting from the main character like this. You can check the main character, and if it's not quite right, you can also regenerate it from here guys. You can also use your own picture. Just select reference image, then upload your picture if you want to use your own image as a reference. You can also add your own voice profile, and here you can also add your own audio reference if you have one. Then this is the second character, the child we will save. After that, the guard will look like this, including all the details. The environments are also created here. Then this is the road during the chase. Later the house will look like this. The motorcycle that will be used is also created. Even the helicopter that will be used in the chase is also made here. Guys, you can also edit the scene list here. There are 5 scenes that we will create. And if you pay attention, starting from the first scene, the description is already clear and the duration is clear. Even the storyboard prompt, including the video prompt, has already been created by AI. If it's still not quite right, you can also edit it manually, just adjust it to your needs, guys. If everything is already correct, we just need to make it or turn it into a storyboard. It's very easy, you just need to click at the top here on Create Storyboard. For the images here, we're using GPT Image 2. You can also choose advanced parameters. For example, for the size here, you can we'll set it to 1024. And for the quality medium or high, we'll just use medium. And for the camera here, you can also choose the camera according to your needs. After that, here you just need to choose storyboard to video or just send it, and then the storyboard will be created automatically. You can see how convenient it is to use a workflow canvas like this. The steps are clear, starting from script planning, and now moving on to the storyboard creation stage. After the 5 images, one for each scene, have been generated here, the next step is you can check each image, guys. Just double click to check each image for every scene. If everything is as you want, you just need to turn these images into a video. Just click on Ready Generation, then here we'll use Seedance 2.5 or the latest generation model. And just send it to generate the video. Then we just wait for the generating process to finish. What's nice is that the generating process happens simultaneously, so you don't have to wait for them one by one, guys. So if you generate a lot of videos at once, it can be faster compared to some other AI tools. After all the videos are finished, here you can check each video to see if it's as expected or not. If everything is as expected and you want to combine them into one, it's very easy to do. You just need to select the plus sign here again, then choose Video Splice, and after that, just connect each of these videos to this video splice. Just drag and drop like this, then to download all the videos as one, just select download here, guys, and the result will look something like this, everyone.
Don't worry, I'm coming to pick you up. Hold on tight.
Thank you, Leo. Earlier we talked about Seedance 2.5, which we accessed using Lumina AI. You can see now the process of making videos is much easier thanks to the latest video models and also a complete AI platform like Lumina. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.